horizontal. Agree or not? What does gradient measure? How steep is the line? Okay, now I want to sketch this one. If it is a horizontal line, the gradient is 0 because there's no steepness. Do you all agree? I still take down this in your notebook. Don't wait until I want to click off, then say haven't copied off. Okay? Next one. This is a vertical line. The gradient is undefined. Okay? Vertical line, the gradient is undefined. Alright? Now, how come undefined? Can you imagine if you have a bicycle, you want to cycle up, you can never cycle up, you will fall down due to gravity. Correct? But this one you can zoom cycle. Am I right? Now, what if the line slope this way? Gradient will be what? Positive. Because it's slant this way. This is something that you must know because it will be translated in your A-Maths chapter 9 again. Okay? Now, what if the line slope this way?
Negative.
Yes. Gradient will be negative. Okay? Take down this 4 diagram. Now, then on page 99, they give you another formula for gradient. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. I will tell you why this slope. Would that be okay? Yes or no? And how these two are actually related. Everybody clear? How these two are actually related. Okay, this is set 1 when you don't know coordinate well, we don't teach this one. Understand? We just teach vertical increase, horizontal increase. Understand? Okay? Alright, are you clear with the direction of the lines first? Are you clear with the direction of the lines? Okay, good. Next, can we turn, okay, to example 4 on page 101. Can I bring out this first part until gradient undefined? Yes, okay. Let's look at example 4. Okay. Now I'm going to write down how defined, okay, and I want to tell you why is it twice overlap, okay? Okay, find the gradient of the line passing through each of the following points. A is 2, 3, and B is 7, 5. Now, according to the gradient formula, okay, gradient is y first order, y2 minus y1, then x2 minus x1, must go the same direction. Okay, now let's say I choose this one first. This one is my first point, this one is my second point. I always put bracket. Because why? In case the coordinates are negative, then you won't miss out the negative sign. Is that understood? Because students are always very careless when there's negative numbers. Okay, 3 minus 1, 5, right? Y minus y, can see? That is what? 2 minus 1, 7, very good. So this is a negative 2 over negative 5. Answer is 2b, right? Can see it now? Can see it now? Now, okay, what if your friend didn't choose this way? They choose the other way. It's fine. It's fine also. You will see that the gradient is still 2b. Let's say now I don't want. I choose this one as first, this one as second. So let's take a look at the gradient. I always put like that. Because in case negative coordinate, I just put it, I know it becomes plus. Understand? So let's Yes or no? Okay, so who will this become? Can you see straight away 2 over 5? Can you see or not? So whether you choose which one as the first point, which one the second point doesn't matter, but you must make sure this one is the first point, this one is the second point. You cannot mix up. Understand now? Okay, now then why is it related to rise overrun? Let me sketch these 2 points for you. Let's say A, 2, 3. B is what? Here. 7, 5, right? Remember, this will be the line, right? Correct. Set 1 BPKs. I hope you remember, okay? Now, then, this is the vertical, this is the horizontal, right? All of you look up. Do you agree this is the rise? What's this? This is the run, right? Can you tell me how many units this is? Huh? This is vertical, so 3 to 5 is how much? 2 units, right? How much is this? 5. Can you see rise overrun is still 2 feet? Don't need to clap. This is a proven one. I'm not fantastic. I'm just telling you it works. You understand what I'm talking about? Can or cannot? Can, no problem, Okay, so actually rise overrun is actually the formula there. But I want to tell you, this formula is better than rise overrun. Because rise overrun, you look at the slant of the line. If it's this shape, this side is positive. If it's that side, it's what? Negative. You got to determine that first. But if I use the formula, it will come up positive, negative according to the numbers. There's no need to worry about it. Everybody clear? Okay, so from now on, I will not use rise overrun. I'll use y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Clear? Because it will give us the thing straight away. Okay? Alright, good. Now, let me do part 2 now, or part B. Can all of you look at part B? Then you will understand why I want to put the brackets. Okay, can all of you look at part B? Page 101. Find the gradient of line passing through each of the following pairs of points. So P is negative 2, 8, and Q is 1, negative 1. Okay. All of you look up, Joshua? Okay. Gradient will be something minus something over something minus something, right? Usually I just go according lah. I don't go and flip the thing, it's very difficult. So it's y minus y, right? So what's the first? What's this? What's this class? A. Then minus 1, right? Then minus 2, then 1, right? Can you see? I just read the back only. Can you see it now? y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. Okay, so this one become 9 over negative 3, right? So what's the gradient? Negative 3. Wow. Can you see it now? Yes or no? Now, can you all see now why I want to do the brackets? It's because when the coordinates become negative, then some people will get confused. Understand? So if you put the brackets, you just plug in the values, it's very clear to you whether is it a plus or a minus. Everybody clear now? Then I want you to take down one more thing. Parallel lines will have the same gradient because they slant the same angle, right? Yes or no? Okay, let's say I have one line like that. I say this one gradient is 2. Then I tell you there's another parallel line. That means the gradient will also be 2. Parallel lines have the same gradient. Understand? This one is very important. Parallel lines have the same gradient. Okay? Alright, now next I'm going on to example 5. Okay? And let's take a look at example 5. Let's look at example 5. If the gradient of the line joining K5 and 2K is negative 2, find the value of K. Now, this time round, they give you the gradient, right? They want you to find one unknown, correct? But we still apply the gradient formula, am I right? These are the 2 points. Okay, so something minus something over something minus something must be negative 2, correct? Okay. Or look at the board. If you see the textbook, exactly the same, no need to copy, okay? I go from here first. What is this? K minus what? 5. Correct? Then what will be here? 2 minus K. Now remember I told you once upon a time, negative 2 is actually negative 2 over 1, right? What do you think when I do this? What do you want to do? Cross multiply. Very good. So this is actually K minus 5 over 2 minus K equals to negative 2 over 1, right? Now I'm going to cross multiply. K minus 5 equals to negative 2 times 2 minus K, right? So K minus 5, negative 4 plus 2K. Okay? Negative K equals to 1. What's K? Negative 1. Can everybody understand here? Can everybody understand here? Can or cannot? Can, just plug in and then we can have the things, okay? Then there's another term that is very common there in maths, especially in coordinate geometry that we must know. Can you write down this word? Collinear. I will tell you what's that. Now, 3 points are collinear if they lie on the same straight line. Understand? There's this term called collinear. Collinear means the 3 points when you join together is a straight line. Understand? Okay, let me show you. Let's say ABC. If we can draw a straight line through ABC, that is collinear. Now, if A is here, B is here, C is here, then are they still collinear? No, they are not collinear, okay? But in maths, we cannot draw to prove. How do we prove that 3 points are collinear? First thing, you must prove that gradient of AB is equals to gradient of BC, right? Can you see? Can you see? If the gradient are the same, that means they slant the same way, right? Is that good enough? Because if I have 2 lines, the gradient same, but they are not collinear, no? They are still different lines, right? There must be a common point. B. Then I'm going to give you variations of this, okay? There must be a common point, because the common point will connect the thing. Everybody clear? Okay, now all that, I'm going to draw over this side. Okay, 3 points are ABC. Now, if I prove gradient of AB is, let's say, 2. Okay, all of you look up. Gradient of AB is, let's say, 2. Then gradient of BC is, let's say, also 2. That means already parallel, right? But because there's a common point 2, I can just continue drawing, right? Then they are collinear, correct? Okay, now, must it be the middle point? No need. Okay, let me just show you. I can also have, I go and find gradient of AC is 2. Gradient of BC is also 2. So now, which is the common point? C. You will collect, then it will still be the same. Do you understand what I'm talking about? Yes or no? What is another possibility? AC and AB. Very good. Then in this case, which is the common point? A. That means it will connect and then coincide. Everybody clear? There must be a common point. Okay? Now, why I say that? Let me draw again. So some of you are confused. Okay, all of you look up. All of you look up. Hello, hello. I'm going to show you. Other than the middle point that is common, okay? I'm just going to show you if A is common, then how. Alright? Then all of you look at the board. If I show that gradient of AC is, let's say, 2, it will be like that. If I show you gradient of AB is also 2, it will be like that, right? Because A is the common point, you also start there, so it will be collinear, correct? Extend, it will be on the same line. Okay? So, a lot of students misunderstand this because they say collinear just prove gradient same can already. No. Understand? You must still have a what? Common point, then they will lie on the same line. You understand? For example, I have AB gradient 2, CD gradient 2, but got common point or not? Don't have. They are just parallel lines. They don't fall on the same straight line. Understand? Collinear means the 3 points must lie on the same straight line. Everybody clear? Okay, so how to prove 3 points are collinear? Just take one common point, find the gradient, say, and then say that one is the common point. That's all finished. Everybody clear? Everybody clear? Okay, Alright, good. Now, can you take out your notebook? I want to do some questions together with you. Can all of you do 1C and 1F for me? It's just gradient and it's very fast. One C and 1F. All of you do now. It will only be 5 minutes because it's very fast one. Okay, I'm going to call names. The person will answer me, okay? 1C. I want to know what is your numerator, Joyce. What did you put? 8 and what? 4. Good. What's your denominator? Minus 5 and minus 2. Can I? Can I? So this will give me a 4. Minus 5 plus 2. This is a negative 3, right? So gradient is negative 4 over 3. Okay, can we make the improper fraction? No need to go and simplify. Everybody clear? Everybody clear? Okay, now let's take a look at this. Joshua, what's the top? Huh? 9 minus 9. Very good. Next one. 6 and negative 7. So this is a 0 over 39. So the gradient is 0. Now, even when I draw up, I will know it's 0 because it will be a horizontal line. Why? Can you see this one? What is the same? The y coordinate, the y intercept. The y coordinate is the same. Am I right? Okay, now let me just draw up. All of you look up. K, negative 7, 9. So somewhere here, right? Correct. L, minus 8 lah. Then 4 minus 4. So this is a 2 over 0, right? Anything over 0 is undefined. So this is undefined. Now, even if I draw, it will coincide with the notes that I tell you. Okay, all of you know. 4, 8, somewhere here, right? Right, 4, 10, it must lie on the same straight line, right? Just higher up. The vertical line just now, I tell you what's the gradient? Undefined. So if anything over 0, don't say, I don't know, because the text also never say, we also never say. Okay, anything over 0 is undefined, but 0 over anything is 0. Oh, also tell me undefined. Understand? Then you have everything undefined. Everybody clear? Oh, then 3 or 3 also undefined, right? Okay, can or cannot? Can, Then you try one more question in the notebook for me, and that is question number 3. All of you do it now. Question number 3. Number 3. Hey, I said question number 3. I didn't say talk to each other. These two will talk to each other. Your answer. This one is the same as my example just now. Can you see? I will call the people. Do you even know you got to start like that? Do you know you got to start like that? Gradient equals to correct? Okay. Joven, yes. What's the top? Negative 7 minus T. Very good. Timing, bottom. Negative 3 minus 4, correct? If you go the other direction, can? Also can, but it must be consistent. Okay? Negative 7 minus b over negative 7 is 3 over 5. What's the next step? Garnish. Cross multiply, okay. 5 times what? Negative 7, negative 3. Okay. Aaron, what's the next? Negative 21. Is this correct, class? Okay. Then you have negative 35 minus 5b is negative 21. Negative 5b is negative 21 plus 35. What is this? Okay. 14. Okay. So p will be 14 over negative 5. Those who love, watch out, okay? Because you are very happy doing my best. So I'll make you even happier by giving you more maths. Okay? Now, you will tell me, Cher, what if I give it in decimal or something down? For this type, right, try to leave it in fraction. Because decimal sometimes is not exact, you understand? Then when you round off, it will affect your final answer. Is that understood? Is that understood? So, I just want to summarize what I've done. What I've done in the morning and now. In the morning, I've done length of line segment. Now, what did I do? Gradient of straight line. Is that clear? Now, I'm going to write 2 sets of words on the board. Those people who talk, right? Jason, you and Han Sheng together. Monday Hari Raya, Tuesday HPL. You're very lucky Tuesday got no max, so no max HPL. So I will give you 4A and 4B together, but you do it on separately. Don't get together. I don't want to mark everything together. It's a lot. Understand now? Oh, they're very heavy. Okay, I always carry back to mark mine. Okay? Alright, so do it separately. Can you tell me what number is it on the content page? Now, for Emacs, don't get confused. 14. Now I write 14. Is this correct? Now I write 15. Okay, good. 15. Gradient, okay? All to be done on full scale. I'm going to write on the board. Will that be okay? Cannot. After I write, right, that will be the end of the lesson. You will do your work in class until 12:35. Is that understood? Okay, so full scale. In case some blur out, right? Do on tissue paper, toilet paper, that kind of thing. Then I get very upset, alright? Jason, you have a comment? No, okay. And just one final announcement. Your exercise 4.3 correction is due today. Please give it to Roshan. Okay? Elvin, stop the video. You start doing your